The blanket stitch is originally an edging stitch used to secure the edges of the fabric to prevent it from tearing or fraying. You would work the blanket stitch between two stitch lines, or two imaginary stitch lines. Start from the top. Now pass the needle through the bottom, spacing it diagonally, and come out from the top again. Loop the thread under the needle and pull out the needle. Continue to pass the needle through the bottom stitch line and come out from the top one to loop the thread before pulling out the needle. You can also vary the space between the stitches to space them closer or far. You can also vary the lengths of the vertical stitches to create longer or shorter stitches. Please let me know if you liked this video. Also, check out our bookstore with ebooks for learners at different levels. This is Sarah from Sarah's Hand Embroidery. Thank you for watching.